So for this problem, what you want to do is make sure that you put all the dates in order. So for example, here we have that April 14 is where when the bill opened, so for April 14th, and then the next date is April 19th. So I'm just gonna do all the dates first, and then it says April 21st, April 21st. Then the next date is actually April 25th, and then April 28th, and the next due date is May 14th. So I'm gonna write that too as well. So May 14th. So the payments of purchases, so that means the balance each day. So it begins with a balance of $655. Then it makes a purchase on April 19th of $152.56. Then we say that on the 21st, $22.45 are charged, and on the 28th, a charge of $207.36 occurs, and on the 25th there was a payment of $500, and on the 14th there are no charges, but there are that's when the statement is due. So here what we want to do is the balance each day, right? What we have to change here is that for so many days, this right here, when it is going to equal to $655 plus the purchases on the 19th, right? So then the next, we can create an equation basically that can fill this. So if we look at the pattern, right, we say that 807, then if we add 2245, we get 830.01. If we subtract the $500, we get $330, and so forth. So the number of days in between, I can also use a formula to calculate this, and I could say I want the new date minus the old date, and that calculates the days for me. And I can do all the way down to this. Oh, I forgot to do fill first. I do this, and I have to do fill, and then once I do fill, I can go down and fill in the formula, so that is correct. And then to double check, I want to sum the number of days. So if I want to add all these days, that's 30 days, so that sounds good. So in the month of April we have 30 days, and the unpaid, this unpaid balance, it's a typo there, paid balance, and I did it again, unpaid. So this right here is equal to, it says the unpaid balance is this times the number of days, plus this, I believe. So I can also formulate this. So if I do fill all the way down to here, if I sum this, all these values, I get that. So the average daily balance, so the average daily balance is equal to 70,110.26 divided by the number of days. So that is the average daily balance of this account. And if I wanted to know the finance charge, it is equal to this number multiplied times the rate. The rate is, where was it? Well, this one is not one of those, but if you would use the formula for finance charge here too, you could do that. Let me know if you have any questions.